Probably call it after your packs, though, Eric. Need me my beauty sleep. Alright, here we go. High Tech, number 12. I am kind of excited for Wednesday. Hopefully people are just chilling a little bit, waiting for that Contenders. Should be some nice stuff loaded with hits. Hopefully some good ones in there. Good luck, everyone. Travis, Freeman, Taylor, Hernandez, Plawecki, nice one. Brandon Crawford, 95 of 99 for the Giants. Nathan, PAP. Madison Bumgarner. And our hit, another one. Edgar Martinez on card auto. Going to the Mariners, Sandy GAL. That one is not numbered. Nice hit, though. Can't complain with Edgar Martinez. That will do it for High Tech. You grabbing packs, Eric?